Hello everybody, my name's Lee. I'm a locksmith working for Keytek Locksmiths. We're here today in the training academy and I'm going to show you guys at home what you do to fix a loose handle on a UPVC door. So from time to time what you'll find is you come to do the door handle and then you find this. What that is you've got what's here called the fixing plate, and on the fixing plate you can see a screw at the top and you can see a screw at the bottom. Over time you're constantly using the door and they'll just wiggle themselves loose. Literally all you need is a posi screwdriver, one in the top. Now when you tighten these, don't over tighten them. There is a thread on the other side, you don't want to be too rough with it. Just get the top one tightened in a little bit, the bottom one tightened in a little bit, and then have a look at the front of the actual faceplate. If it's moved around a little bit and you've tightened it too much, you'll see it's off center. But if it does look like it's on center, then all you do is back again with a screwdriver into the top, give it a turn until it stops. Don't tighten anymore because you will burn the threads out. And then same again down to the bottom, just give it a turn until it stops, and then you stop as well. Once you've done that and your faceplate is now solid, what you do get from time to time is you'll get like a floppy actual handle itself. Sometimes you can be lucky and on the inside you'll see an Allen key grub screw. So all you do is a set of Allen keys in there, you tighten it and it should stay nice and firm. If you don't have the Allen key setting, then it'll stay loose like that. What that is on the internal of the handle, there is a circlip and it's made out of plastic. And over time, of you pulling and using that plastic against metal, it wears down and that's what creates the looseness. At that point, there is some occasions when you can take the handles off, strip them down, put a new one in. But on a lot of times you can't do that, so the only way to remedy that is you do have to buy a new set of handles. That will rectify the loose handle set in there. You can call us, we are available. We do have locksmiths nationwide. We do the same day service as well, so just give us a call, we'll send a professional out and we'll come and get it sorted for you.